So within 5 minutes, I was able to create a chatbot and embed it in my website live and change it as well. We are going to create a live chatbot. You must have seen a lot of websites where there is a chat bubble, there is a chatbot, right? And I'll show you how easy it is to build it. So this is literally, I'll build a similar one over here right now. You know, what do you want? Like, you want to chat. Okay, I need a chat trigger. It means that I already have a chat trigger over here. So basically, this is the chat trigger I need. I'm making it publicly available. It means that it is available on this URL, this chat URL, right? What happens if I open the chat? Basically, I can talk to it. You know, hi. So this is the canvas of n8n. Don't get overwhelmed. It's very, very simple, right? It's very, very simple. It basically, whatever we send to the chat message, it went to the AI agent, and whatever I have told AI agent, it will output that. So I have told the AI agent that you're expert at telling jokes. Tell a marriage joke based on the context provided. Let me do that first. You know, Santa Banta joke. Everybody knows Santa Banta, right? So if I execute that, my output changes. Would you like to hear a Santa Banta joke? Right? It's a simple automation. Now, if I ask it, yeah, tell me a midnight joke. So let's see what it does. It goes to my AI agent. Basically, this is your ChatGPT. And it will tell you, this is the output. This is, I don't know if you guys can see the output. If it's too small, please let me know. But sure, here is a Santa Banta midnight joke, right? This is an AI automation which I created. You know, I can literally create this again in 5 minutes. So now, if you want to take this, let's do it live. This is the website. I don't have any chat bubble over here, right? I don't have any chat bubble over here. This website is built in WordPress, which is very, very simple. I'm going to edit this page right now, live in front of you guys. Elementor is just a web-based thing, you know. So what I'm going to do is, I want this chat bubble inside that website. How am I going to do that, right? In order to do that, there is some documentation. I have already digged the documentation out. What we need to do is we need to embed this code. This is nothing but just telling that embed, you know, take this chatbot and put it onto the website. Over here, I'm going to add a simple widget, HTML. Even if it is overwhelming for you guys, don't worry about it. It's very, very simple. You know, I don't know any coding or anything. I'm just copy pasting this. The only thing which we need to change, now if you notice, there is this chat bubble came. I do it again. It's gone. My website. So if you have a business and you want to put a chat bubble which answers question, it's literally as simple as putting HTML code, and now you have a chat bubble over here, right? It's not doing anything. It's not connected to anything. We need to connect this chat bubble to this chat box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this URL. Basically, whatever happens on that website will come over here. Perfect. Now this chat box is connected to that. I'm going to publish it. Now I would say everybody of you go to this website, fasttrackai.com, refresh it. You should see this chat bubble. Now you guys can say, you know, you can ask it a question basically, whatever you want to ask. Whatever question you ask, it will come over there. So I'm going to go to my browser. Chatbot. So now it is not active yet. So I'm going to go back. Now, if you see, this is inactive because this is in dev mode. It's not production live. So I'm going to make it active now. Now this is active and it is ready to take the inputs. Now let's go back. Input. Now it is ready to take the inputs because it was in development mode. I urge you, you go back, you go to Fast Track AI Mastery right now, and we added this chatbot right now, which is going to answer questions or tell you jokes. Hey, want to hear a Santa Banta joke? Yeah, midnight. It's the same thing which you ask over there. The same output is going to come. If you see Santa Banta decided to go for a night walk, you can read this, right? I'm going to increase the font. I hope you can see this. It gave me an answer. Now, I tell you, I can change the behavior of this within a second. I'll go back. I'll say, instead of telling me a Santa Banta joke, tell me a marriage-based joke. My spelling is wrong. My grammar is wrong. All right. So I'm going to save it. As simple as that. It's active now, right? I go back, I ask it a question. Midnight. And now it is going to give me another answer.